You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update: why 60% of businesses fail after data loss and how to avoid it. Data backup protects against loss from hardware failure, software corruption, accidental deletion, natural disasters, and cyber attacks. It provides a copy of important files that can be restored if the original data is lost or destroyed. The ability to quickly recover this data in the event of a critical failure is termed business continuity. There are two important metrics to consider when designing a backup strategy. Recovery Point Objective, or RPO, refers to the maximum acceptable amount of data loss measured in time. It determines how frequently backups should occur to minimize data loss in case of failure. For example, if backups are done weekly, the RPO is 7 days, meaning up to a week worth of data could be lost. And Recovery Time Objective, or RTO, defines the maximum acceptable time to restore data and resume normal operations after a disruption. It sets the time frame for system restoration to avoid significant business impacts. For example, an RTO of 24 hours means systems must be restored within a day. An image backup is a full copy of a system, including operating system, settings, applications, and data. It allows you to restore everything to its previous state if the system fails. A file folder backup saves specific files and directories like documents and photos. If the system fails, only these selected files and directories can be restored. Image backups are used for business continuity and disaster recovery, providing a complete copy of the system that can be restored after a major failure. File and folder backups are often used for daily backup and recovery needs, enabling users to restore individual files and directories without restoring the entire system. Importantly, image backups generally contain file folder backups, so you tend not to need both. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, create a backup strategy. Identify your most critical data, acceptable data loss, and downtime tolerance to choose the best backup option. The 3-2-1 rule suggests keeping 3 copies: the original, a local backup, and an off-site backup. Due to fast internet speeds, it's becoming common to forego local backups. Second, test and validate restores. Backups are meaningless if they can't be restored. It's common for new CyberStreams clients to come with a horror story about how their backup strategy didn't include testing and, as a result, they've lost considerable data. Ensure your backups are actively monitored for success, inevitable issues remediated, and restore functionality is validated regularly. And third, this is important: 42% of companies experienced data loss last year. 31% lose their entire data infrastructure due to uncontrollable events. 93% lacking proper data backup strategies are likely to file for bankruptcy after an incident. 60% going through an incident will shut down within 6 months. And 50% of tape backups do not restore properly. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.